Division using repeated subtraction. Jim is going to share marbles with his friends. To start the game, each player must have the same number of marbles. Jim has the total of 32 marbles and he is playing with 3 other children. So if Jim divides the 32 marbles among the 4 people, him and his friends. How many marbles would each person get? Remember how multiplication is just the sure kind of doing repeated addition. Similarly, division is about doing repeated subtraction. So if we have 32 marbles and there are total of 4 people, each waiting to get some marbles, how we do the repeated subtraction? Since 32 is the total marbles we have, it is the dividend and 4 is the divisor, because there are 4 people among whom we have to divide the marbles. To carry out the division by repeated subtraction, we draw a margin so that we can keep a track that how many times we give away the marbles. So first we take away 4 marbles from 32. Then we give each player 1 marbles, leaving us with 28 marbles. Across the margin, we write 1 to indicate that each player got 1 marble. Now, we take another 4 marbles and that leaves us with 24 marbles. We also write 1 across the margin to show that every player got another 1 marble. Now we take another 4 marbles, leaving with us 20 marbles. Again we note this with 1 across the margin. If we keep doing this repeated subtraction of 4 marbles from the remainder while keeping a record of how many marbles each player received, we will finally get a 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Since we reached 0, this means that we can equally split 32 marbles among 4 players without any marbles left over. To find the answer of 32 divided by 4 equal what? We count the ones in the marginal column. We have 8 ones, so the answer is 8. Every player gets 8 marbles. When we divide 32 marbles among 4 people, we get the quotient 8. Now suppose after 2 games another boy joined them to play a new game. Now Jim have to divide 32 marbles again among 5 people. Let us do the division using repeated subtraction and draw a marginal column on the side to keep count of the number of times we gave marbles to the players. So we begin by taking away 5 marbles and giving each player 1 marble. This leaves us with 27 marbles, and we write 1 in the marginal column to the right. We can continue subtracting 5 from the amount of marbles left. Look, now we have 2 marbles left. Unfortunately, we cannot give them to any more marbles because everybody should have the same number of marbles, as there has to be a fair game. So let us count the number of times each player has received the marble. We have 6. So, to divide 32 marbles among 5 people, each player gets 6 marbles, which takes away 30 marbles, and 2 is left out of 32. We can say that 2 is the remainder. So children, in this lesson, you learned how to divide whole numbers using repeated subtraction. Thank you children.